Hey everybody, welcome to Back Porch Cooking and Reminiscing. I'm Roger, and we're glad to have y'all here with us today. So today we're out here on the back porch. We've got the Blackstone flat top fired up, and we're going to be making some quesadillas. So y'all sit back, relax, and get ready to see some quesadillas. All right, y'all. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get us about a pound of hamburger on the grill, and I've got this on about a medium heat. And then we're just going to take our spatula and we're going to chop that up. That grill makes a lot of racket, but I'll try to be gentle on it and not make quite so much noise. Alright, while that's cooking, we're going to get us some onions on. I'm going to put a little bit of oil down here for these onions. Not a lot, just a little. Alright, got our onions on there, and we'll incorporate them into that oil that I put down. Get them cooking up good here. And just chop up our hamburger. We're on about a medium heat on all this. And I've got the onions kind of over toward the side that don't have quite as much heat going on it. That's smelling good already. Now you can do this in the house on the stove top if you don't have one of these flat top grills. That's no big deal. Just get you a couple of pans out, and you can do all this on your stove. These quesadillas are going to be delicious. Now, if you notice, I haven't put any seasoning on here yet, but that's where we're going right now. So we've got us a blend of seasoning. It's got chili powder and cumin and smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. I'll put the recipe in the description when we get it done. That way you can make your own taco seasoning. Right, that's got all of our seasonings in there. Now we're going to start incorporating those onions into that now, because the onions are getting cooked and we want our hamburger to cook. We want that burger to hold some of that onion flavor. These don't take too long to get done. It just takes very, very little amount of time. You just want to turn everything over and smelling delicious. You just keep moving it around, that way your hamburger don't burn or anything. And like I say, we're on about a medium heat here. I believe that that's all done. So we're going to move everything down here to the side that we don't have a lot of heat on, and just let it sit there and cool out, and it'll drain some. All right, now we're going to put a little bit of butter down over here for our tortillas. Try not to burn my fingers. And we're going to take 4 tortillas, our tortillas. So we're going to put us 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 on there. Alright, we're going to come back up with the heat just a little bit to about a medium again. And we're going to let those tortillas brown up a little bit. Alright, we're ready to start putting these babies together. So we're going to just get us some meat. We're going to put some meat on all 4. And we want to get all of our meat put up there on one of those tortillas. So we got just a little bit more here. And that needs to go on this one. Alright, so there's our meat on everything. Now we're ready to put some cheese on. So this is grated cheddar cheese, and you can use whatever cheese you like on them. You don't have to use cheddar. You can use any kind you like. This is just what we kind of like. We're going to put us a lot of cheese on them, because cheese is what makes everything good. Alright, y'all, so we got our cheese on there. Let's put a little bit more on that one. Got our cheese on there, and now we're just going to flip everything halfway in two. And hopefully everything will stay together. I'm gentle with this because I don't want everything to fall out. Alright, so we've got them all flipped over. We're going to mash them good, mash them hard with that spatula. Let all that melt on that side, and then we will flip them again. Alright, so we're ready to get our last 2 up off the grill. Guys, these are beautiful and they smell so good. I'll show you a picture of the whole plate here in just a second. Alright, so there is our whole plate of our quesadillas. So you know what? It's time to go inside, put these on a plate, cut them, and get ready to eat some. Alright, y'all, so we brought everything in and assembled our plate here. So we got our quesadillas, we got some tomato and some lettuce, some yellow rice, and some taco sauce. And this is a Tex-Mex pasta salad that Audrey made. And we'll give you the recipe and directions for that down in the description as well. But so now I'm ready to try these quesadillas and see how we did. All right, y'all. So now on the pasta salad, I'm not a pasta salad kind of guy, so I won't be tasting that, but Audrey assures me that it is marvelous. So I'm going to try the quesadilla, which is what I've been wanting to try, and see how it tastes. So here we go. We got one of our quesadillas and see if it's any good. Mm, mm, mm. Y'all, that is wonderful. Now, the seasoning on them is perfect for my particular taste, but remember, I don't like something super, super spicy. So, if you do like it a little more taco flavor, add you a little more of the seasoning to it. Again, I'll leave you that recipe for that seasoning in the description. And but if you like it really, really taco-y flavored, add you a little more of that. The tortilla is super crunchy. The meat is tender. The cheese is melted. It's just a really, really good quesadilla. So, y'all, make this for your family. Share it with your friends. Remember, hit that like, subscribe, and click on that bell button so you get notifications when we post a new one. And if y'all got a favorite Mexican recipe that you really like, leave us a comment and tell us what you like as far as Mexican style cuisine goes. All right, y'all. Appreciate you being here. Have a great day, and we'll see you later.